Magandang araw mga future registered pharmacists, mga mahal kong estudyante sa College of Pharmacy ng UPHST Calamba. Welcome to Special Topics 1 and 2. Ako si Carlo Lidres, ang magiging kasama ninyo sa journey na ito. Hindi lang bilang isang guro, kundi bilang mentor, kaibigan, at kapwa mangarap para sa inyong tagumpay. Bago ang lahat, huminga muna tayo ng malalim dahil itong subject na ito ay hindi lang basta requirement. Ito ang tulay mula sa lahat na natutunan natin sa classroom papunta sa tunay na mundo ng pharmacy at sa board exam na magtatakda ng bagong yugto ng buhay mo. Sa Special Topics 1 and 2, there are integrated review subjects. These courses are designed to help you recall, connect, and apply all major pharmacy concepts from pharmaceutics to pharmacology to laws and ethics in a structured and exam-oriented approach. But more than that, this class is also about confidence building, strategy, and mindset. Every drill you answer, every rationalizations you make is a step forward toward becoming competent, ethical, and board-passing pharmacist. So if you think this class is only about memorizing facts, so think again. We are here to train you to think like a pharmacist, to act like a pharmacist, and to believe that you are destined to become one. Kaya habang ginagawa natin ito, paalala mo sa sarili mo na araw-araw, hindi ako susuko, hindi ako nag-iisa. May rason kung bakit ako narito, at kapag dumating ang araw ng board exam, hindi na ako kakabahan. Because you will recognize the questions. You will recognize yourself as someone ready, handa, buo, at palaban. And when you pass, you will remember this moment, that this wasn't just a subject, this was your launchpad. Kaya tara na, simulan na natin ang kwento. I am Carlo Lidres, your professor for Special Topics 1 and 2, and let's make this semester the start of something great. I'm so glad na nandito kayo ngayon. Welcome to our new chapter of your pharmacy journey. Hindi lang ito basta bagong semester, hindi lang ito basta class. Ito ang simula ng totoong paghahanda mula sa board exam. Kung marami sa inyo ang kinakabahan, yung iba naman ay nagdududa kung kaya ba. Pero ngayon pa lang gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, yes, kaya nyo yan. Yes, may naghihintay na lisensya para sa inyo. At hindi mo yan lalakbayin mag-isa. I'm here with you every Saturday, every drill, every review. This is a space where we review with purpose, where we study with strategy, and where we fight together for your dream. Kaya welcome to the class, dear students. Welcome to the final stretch. So let's go, pharmacists in the making. Bago tayo magsimula, mahalagang maunawaan ninyo kung bakit may Special Topics 1 and 2. At ito ang pinakakaluluwa ng subject na ito. To equip pharmacy students with knowledge, skills, and confidence to excel in pharmacy licensure examination. We are here to empower you, not just to pass the exam, but to raise a competent, ethical, and service-driven pharmacist, ready to make a meaningful impact in healthcare and in society. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa sagot, hindi lang ito tungkol sa grado, ito ay tungkol sa paghahanda, sa paglalakas loob, at sa pananampalataya na kaya mo. Gagawin natin ito ng sabay-sabay, so let's begin this journey together. Okay class, listen up. Ito muna ang ilang bagay na dapat mong malaman. This course is not your typical subject. It's a focused, review-style course, carefully designed to bring out the best in you as a future pharmacist. Ang goal natin, integrated content mastery. This means you will undergo a structured, outcome-based review of the most important board exam topics from Module 1 to Module 6. Hindi tayo basta bara-bara lang, so every concept, every activity, every drill is connected to your board goal. Kaya tandaan mo ito kung seryoso ka sa pangarap mong makapasa, at manguna sa board exam, then this course is your battlefield. At kami, mga teacher mo, ay kasama mo sa laban. So sama-sama natin gawin ito para sa pangarap mo, para sa iyong pamilya, lalong-lalo na para sa kinabukasan mo. Special Topics Class Setup. Alright class, ito ang magiging setup ng ating special topic class. This class happens every Saturday. Class format, drills only. That means no lecture will be conducted. Grading system, simple but focused. 100% of your grade will come from your drills and exams. Pero take note, you won't just answer blindly. You must rationalize your answer. Ibig sabihin, you explain why your answer is correct. Bakit mahalaga to? Because this builds deeper understanding and sharpen your test-taking skills. Ngayon, let's talk about your supplemental program. You are encouraged to enroll in an enhancement program. Grades from that program not counted in your special topics grade, but if you do enroll, you will be given merit, and those merits might just be an edge you need. Kaya kung seryoso ka sa board exam at gusto mo talaga makapasa, sulitin mo ang bawat opportunity na meron ka. Kasama na doon ang enhancement program. So, wag mong sasayangin. Ito ang mga topics na haharapin ninyo sa unang semestre ng Special Topics. Module 1 covers General Chemistry and Organic Chemistry, Organic Chemistry, and Medicinal Chemistry Proficiency. This is your solid chemistry foundation. Dito tinatayo ang maraming konsepto ng pharmacy. Module 2 talks about biochemistry, pharmacognosy, and plant chemistry. This connects you to the core of how drugs work in the body and how nature still play a vital role in the treatment. Module 3 covers pharmaceutical calculations, dispensing and adverse drug reactions, dosage forms, hospital pharmacy, and clinical pharmacy. Ito na ang applied knowledge. Ito yung practice-based question na laging lumalabas sa board exam. Ito naman ang mga subject focus para sa second semester ng Special Topics. Module 4 covers biopharmaceutics, pharmacology, and toxicology. This is where you learn how the drug travels throughout the body and how it works or harm at molecular level. Module 5 covers manufacturing pharmacy and physical pharmacy. These subjects strengthen your grasp of formulation design, processes, and product quality. Knowledge na essential sa mga gustong magtrabaho sa industry. Module 6 naman covers microbiology, public health, and quality-quantity analysis. This ties in your role as public health advocate, a scientist, and a pharmacist who understands data, accuracy, and diagnostic value. Now, listen carefully. Gusto naming i-reward ang effort ninyo, lalo na sa mga mas piniling lumaban ng todo. If you enroll in an enhancement programs, you will automatically receive 10 points in our every drill or exam score in special topics. Pero hindi lang dyan nagtatapos. You may also receive a grade bonus in your prelim, midterm, and finals based on your enhancement program average. If your average is 75 to 79%, you will get 3 bonus points. From 80 to 84%, you will get plus 5 bonus points. From 85 to 89%, you will earn 7 bonus points. And if you reach 90 and above, you will receive a plus 10 bonus points for each term grade. But students must submit proof of enrollment to your professor so we can track your progress and apply your well-deserved merits. Kung mag-enroll ka, siguraduhin mong malaman mo because hard work must be rewarded. We want to know something very important. Are you currently enrolled in any review or enhancement program? If yes, please scan the QR code on the screen and let us know. Let's talk about our tools using the TRIL examination. We will use the SIP grade system. This is a paper-based answer sheet na pwede nating i-scan for instant result using a mobile app. It's simple, fast, and fair at makakatulong ito para matrack ang progress mo week by week. Objective nitong approach na to is to prepare you on how to answer using Scantron sheet and how to answer by shading it in the right way. Let me share my story, my journey to become a registered pharmacist. Hi class, yes, it's me, reviewing for the Philippine Pharmacy Board exam just like you. I'm Carlo Lidres, a proud registered pharmacist today, but once upon a time I was exactly where you are right now. Nangangapa, kabado, hindi sigurado. I still remember those days when every chapters feel like a mountain. When kahit paulit-ulit mong basahin, parang hindi mo maalala or hindi pumapasok sa utak mo. The pressure, very real. The anxiety, max level. I couldn't sleep. I questioned myself every single day. But you know what kept me going? A vision, a dream, and a belief that I didn't come this far just to stop now. So today, allow me to share my story with you, not as a perfect example, but as a reminder that it's possible, that you can do it too. Hindi mo kailangan maging pinakamatalino, ang kailangan lang ay yung hindi ka sumusuko. So let's walk through this journey together. Alam nyo ba kung anong grade ko noon sa pharmacy seminar? 3. Oo, 3, pasang-awa. At ang equivalent niyan ngayon ay itong subject nyo, special topics. Nakakahiya ba? Oo, pero that moment lit a fire in me. Nung tinanong ako ng dean, ng mga guru ko, ng mga prof ko, sabi ko, hindi ko lang ipapasa ang board exam, itatap ko pa. Pero sa totoo lang, pinapalakas ko lang ang loob ko kasi hindi ko kayang bumagsak. Wala akong pang-review, wala akong ipon, wala akong backup plan. Yung gagamitin ko sana para sa board exam, kailangan ko pa pagtrabahuhan, kaya ang ginawa ko noon, sideline muna, nagtrabaho, mga 1 taon, bago ako nakapag-review at makapag-take ng board exam. At kung may isang bagay kayong matutunan sa kwento ko, ito yung grade don't define you. What matter is your grit, your reason, your why. Kaya ngayon pa lang, tanungin mo ang sarili mo. Gaano ko ba kagusto pumasa? Gaano ko ba kagustong maging registered pharmacist? Once you have your answer, fight for it. I started answering pack of questions from 1 to 100 every single day. Kapag may hindi ako alam, I write it down. Then I try to discuss it to myself as if I'm the teacher of myself. And that's when I realized ang dami ko palang hindi alam. So what did I do? I wrote down every single one of them, of those unknown topics, and taped them all over my wall. That became my study sanctuary, my proof of progress, my daily reminder that it's okay not to know all, as long as you are willing to learn. Here was my routine. Morning, answer pack of 1 to 10. Afternoon, rationalization. Take notes, highlight what I didn't know. Evening, I stand in front of that wall and tried to explain the topic to myself as if I was giving a lecture every day. Paulit-ulit, paulit-ulit. Focus, intentional, deliberate. Walang magic formula, walang shortcut, just a commitment. And a wall full of hindi ko alam that eventually became kaya ko na to. And I did it. So you can do it too. Naranasan ko ding umiyak habang nagre-review. And promise, nakaka-depress talaga. Yung oras para sana sa happy-happy, you will sacrifice it. Sakripisyo ang gala, sakripisyo ang mga gatherings, sakripisyo ang buong social life. Except pag Sunday, syempre Lord's Day. Sunday is my Sabbath day, my rest day. Linggo ang araw para magpahinga at higit sa lahat para kausapin si Lord, magdasal, lift up your struggles, your dreams to Him. And si Lord ang katulong mo. Every week sinasabi ko sa Kanya, Lord, nakakapagod na po, ayaw ko na. Pero alam kong hindi ninyo ako pababayaan kasi totoo to. Mas mabuti nang umiyak ako habang nagre-review kaysa umiyak ako sa mismong board exam. Masakit? Oo. Nakakapagod? Oo. Pero worth it pa? Yes, very worth it, class. Class, ito ang tandaan ninyo. Success is not something to chase. Success is something to attract. And you will attract success by your habit, by your routine. So establish your routine like a champion. Hindi ako yung pinakamatalino sa batch at hindi ako yung gifted pagdating sa memorization. Pero isa lang ang pinagmamalaki ko. Magaling ako sa paggawa ng routine. Every single day. Here's how I did it. Morning, sagot agad ng pack-up. 100 items in 1 hour. Timer on. Focus mode. Kahit 20 lang ang tama sa umpisa, laban pa rin. And here's the trick. Lahat ng mali, highlighted. Preferably orange. Kasi sabi nila, orange will help with memory retention. Not proven, but who cares? Basta gumagana. After lunch, ito ang rationalization time. I explain it to myself na lahat ng mga mali mo, kahit magmukha kang baliw, okay lang kasi habang nagkakape ka o naglalakad sa kwarto, teach yourself out loud. Then, check mo sagot sa pack-up, key answer. At kung may na-miss ka, highlight mo ulit. Aral ka sa reviewer mo, meta man yan or manor o kung ano mang reviewer meron ka, focus on your reviewer. Before bed, basahin ang mga notes na nakadikit sa pader, kisame, pinto, kahit sa lampshade, lahat ng pwede. Kasi bago matulog, gusto mo yung utak mo full of retained stuff. And lastly, repeat. Gawin ulit bukas, paulit-ulit. It's boring, yes, but boring wins exam. Kaya ulitin natin, establish your routine, kahit pagod, kahit nakakatamad, kasi at the end of the day, hindi ito tungkol sa memorya, kundi sa disiplina. During the board exam, ramdam ko ang kaba ng mga kasama ko, but I felt excited. Lalo na nung nakita ko yung mga question, alam ko siya. Kahit mga technique na natutunan ko during the review, hindi ako ginahol sa oras. May mga kasama ako during the board na di na tinapos ang exam at ang iba naman umiyak at hindi na bumalik. So, ito nga yung sinasabi ko nung una. It's better to cry during the review than to cry during the board exam. Kung naalala nyo na sinabi ko na magtatap ako sa board exam, yes, hindi nangyari yun. Ang average ng top 10 ay 90.89% something. Hindi ko na maalala. Pero ang pinakamahalaga, pumasa ako. So, thank you Lord and praise God. Isa sa pinakamasayang araw ng buhay ko at ito ang resulta. I didn't reach the top 10 pero ang mahalaga, registered pharmacist na ako. And this is my story from pasang awa to registered pharmacist. This time, kayo naman ang gagawa ng kwento nyo na maisishare nyo sa iba pagdating ng panahon. Class, kaya nyo yan. Marami pa akong tips pero tingin ko ito ang kailangan nyo ngayon. You need to establish your routine sa pag-review and follow the steps na binigay ko sa inyo. Pero ang pinakamahalaga ay lagi kayong magdasal. Kausapin si Lord na lalo na pag nahirapan na kayo sa inyong pag-review. So, God bless us class and always have a good sleep para healthy mga brain cells during the review and board exam. To God be the glory. Okay, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you so much and see you in the next class.